No kids in the kitchen? No problem. Introducing Cats Club. Like Kids Club, but with more fur and less cleanup. Screen time limit ignored. Nap time, of course, is non negotiable. Box included and perfectly cat sized. He's inspecting the tools like a pro. The final project is supervised and approved. Same box, slightly different apron, and more attitude. Who would you like to use this kit with? Your child, your cat, or someone who might just love a good apron moment? Tell me below, or of course, I'm always just a message away and I've got the link ready if you'd like to get one of your own.